How to pay Alibaba with Payoneer. Let's get started. So can you pay on Alibaba with Payoneer? So the answer is yes, you can actually pay on Alibaba with a Payoneer if you have a Payoneer debit card. Now this is how the debit card will look. Let me just show you. This is how the debit card will look. If you have one of the debit card from Payoneer, you will be easily able to make payments. So how can you do that so far? Then just simply go to Alibaba and then select any of the product that you want to buy. Just add those products into your cart and go to the payment section or checkout section. In the checkout section, there should be different payment method which should include debit card or credit card as well, just like payment method, a debit card, and put the details of your card in the back of the card, their card number and all the details. That's how you will be able to use Payoneer as payment method on Alibaba.com.